Our top story: in the past hour, a federal judge has blocked a Trump administration temporary freeze on federal grants and loans.
WSCV's Christine Quayle joining us now with how local organizations are bracing for potential changes.
So, Tina, Ben, I've spent the day talking with people who are in charge of some of the local nonprofits and organizations that would have had their funding paused under this new mandate. Now, the order is temporarily blocked as of just a few minutes ago, but that's not calming anyone's fears just yet.
I woke up to texts blowing up my phone, learning about the pause in federal grant funding.
A pause that local organizations say has led to more than a little uncertainty.
The desperation and the fear in our clients' voices is heartbreaking.
Patty Lyons works with a local organization that provides meals to low-income seniors. Though the White House has said the pause won't affect food stamps, community leaders say that doesn't mean people won't go hungry.
The services that keep people out of the hospital, keep them alive, keep them safe. So I just can't believe that this is going to be a long-term solution.
Many nonprofits also help individuals navigate the systems. So while it may not affect food stamps, it certainly affects people's ability to even access those food stamps because the system is very complicated and difficult.
Under the new mandate, the state of free and reduced lunch programs lies in the balance as well. In response to a request for comment, Savannah-Chatham County Public Schools said in part, quote, any direct impacts would depend on the scope and specific provisions of the pause, to which remain unclear at this time. But it's not just food insecurity.
And we have a Department of Justice grant that supports survivors of human trafficking, and we rely on that to make payroll, to meet operations, and to think that those funds would suddenly, with the stroke of a pen, be unavailable to us was very, very alarming.
Some telling me they believe there could be an agenda at play.
And programs like DEI and transgender policies help support these young people as they're dealing with these unimaginable consequences. And so we will not be bullied into getting rid of our value system.
All seemingly in agreement about who they say will be most affected under the new mandate.
This isn't just a decision made on a piece of paper. This isn't a decision that's just made in DC, but this is a decision that's going to impact a child in foster care, more than 300 children in foster care in our community alone. These dollars impact them, our most vulnerable.
Now, the National Council of Nonprofits and other groups filed the complaint earlier today, and the judge paused the freeze until Monday. Meanwhile, Georgia's senators are calling this potentially illegal and saying it threatens chaos. Christine Quayle, WSAV News 3, on your side.